everybody, this is Jess, and I'm on board the Nautilus A-Class submarine. The Nautilus A-Class is a modern reimagining of Jules Verne's legendary vessel. It's built for oceanic exploration and marine conservation. Powered by a revolutionary clean fusion hydrogen hybrid core, it operates silently and it leaves no environmental footprint. Stretching for 120 meters with reinforced titanium carbon fiber hulls, it can dive to 5,000 meters. It houses advanced laboratories, panoramic observation decks, and autonomous drone bays. Designed to inspire students worldwide, Nautilus A-Class offers a hands-on mission. Explore the deep, protect fragile ecosystems, and shape a sustainable future for our oceans. Adventure and stewardship combined beneath the waves aboard this marvel of engineering. This is Jess Jones. Welcome on board.